All right, today is May 27th, holiday weekend. We will cold start the first Mopar, the 68 RT, which is a 440 Coronet RT. As you know, we did a cold start on the GT and the C5 last month. So now that the weather's getting better, we're gonna give her a shot. And then next month we'll reveal the Mopar 14. As you know, this is a carburetor, so she's been sitting for maybe since last September, so it might take a few clicks to start. So let's give her a shot and see what happens. Let's put the phone down.